Okay guys, so today we're going to be making a Asian style roasted broccoli. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is, well, I already washed and prepped my broccoli already. So what we're going to do is cut it up and put it in a bowl, and we're going to use some Asian seasonings in order to season it, and then we're going to put it on our roasting pan to roast. All right, so let me just cut this broccoli here and get everything prepared for roasting. So I'm just halving some of the florets. All right, so I'm going to get to prepping and cutting up the rest of this broccoli, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I have my broccoli here. I also cut up my stems as well. So let's get this seasoned up. Okay, so I'm going to drizzle some coconut oil on it. I'm going to put some of my ginger garlic paste in it as well. Now remember, this is Asian style roasted broccoli, so I'm going to put some gluten-free oyster sauce in it. Okay. Again, to keep with the Asian style, I will be using fish sauce instead of salt. So let me use my measuring spoon. Well, no, let me see if I can do it without. Hopefully I don't put too much. All right, so put some fish sauce. Okay. And now I'm going to put a little bit of dark soy sauce. I will use my measuring spoon with about 1 tablespoon of that. All right, now we will mix everything together. This is a gluten-free dark soy sauce that I made. I will leave a link in the description showing you how I made my gluten-free dark soy sauce. So now we give everybody a nice massage. So I have my oven preheating at 400 degrees Fahrenheit right now. All right, I think that got a good massage. So now we're going to put our baking sheet here and put our broccoli, our seasoned, Asian seasoned broccoli onto our baking sheet. And I'm going to roast this to my desired liking. So again, this is something that is according to your preference. Some people like things roasted more than others. So I'm just going to roast this until I'm happy with it. And I'll show you how it looks at the end.